back and tell her what's wrong from what is right. I cannot hurt
Me now, me
everyone.
not going back right. That's why me you always go war because you ever go back and
Yeah,
talk.
listen, yes, me have to tell you because you don't me should even up
Listen
for
to
your
me now.
life and I
Listen
talk
to
to
me.
you.
Listen to me now.
Listen what
Listen
I'm
to me now.
saying.
That the cat
Listen
done
what
ball
I'm
mirror.
saying. Listen. Remember say when you come a foreign, I was the first person who tried to assist you, and just because you don't know
And
yourself.
this you come back. A
No,
blood
I'm
clot
telling
is a man
you.
problem now. I'm
See there?
going to
See
mash
there?
up the blood
See
clot
there?
for you. Man
Guys,
problem.
good night. I'm leaving. Bye, guys.
One, me I tell you about man problem and me I tell you what happened. You
Me don't
gone back
want
and
to hear about your man problem because the world did tell us that the boy don't want you already. So where you come and
tell
tell
me
me
say
that?
man don't want me then yes me I still talk about that right now. Yeah, me call you me access say Alpha me call you me access say
You
then
don't have
Keem.
nothing to say about Trevor work you. And nothing wrong with that.
But you know say my hurt me.
Because a years of me and a days of me. A years of me. And I know how my community stay. Here? I might not come on the internet come do the most, but I know how them stay. Yeah. Brought back Andrew Orles.
Whether because of discomfort, lack of mobility, your lifestyle, or occupation, you sit inactively way too many hours a day.
Well, so now me
First of all, you don't need for this is what I'm saying. You don't need to have a relationship on the internet. You can be yourself and people will still like you and gravitate by you and support you. You don't need to have any relationship on the internet. You don't need that. You don't need that. You don't need that. It's 2025. You don't need nobody to be fake with you. And the real people that was real to you. Man, I gotta say the real people. The people them who did not tell you what's wrong from what is right, you run them. And see it? It come like say you dash your stick before you cross the river and now you're in the middle of the river and can't get cross. You don't realize that say when you look on it. When you look on it, listen what I'm saying. Listen what I'm saying. It come like say you're alone right now as based on how I see it. Because when you come up here, everybody has a Tikki. Everybody has a Tikki. You have so much support. You don't realize you dash the whole of them. You don't realize none of them now. If something, God forbid, if something for happen to you, how you gonna manage?
Like
Be
what you
honest.
mean by support?
I said God forbid.
Listen
God
to me.
forbid.
What you mean by support? Batman when me running for around me, Batman when me running for around me, them did good for me.
Jesus, me never say nobody good for your Tikki, but you have to understand, say, you can run people indirectly too. Because people will
run me
see
supporter,
you.
them, me still have me
This
supporters.
is what I'm saying, Tikki. Not because somebody come up here and send a gift gun gear, send a flowers gun
Well, I
gear.
run people. Keem, listen me, I'm going to make me mash up either the phone tonight or the ring like one.
You don't listen.
When me I talk about tonight, talk about you kind of supporters like you want to talk about me for a long time, but you know me I go
No,
judge.
the thing is that because you're doing a lot of stuff.
About the man problem now, you tell me about blood clot supporters. Me chat about supporters.
See, you don't hear. That's why you don't hear. You don't listen. You need to listen and
moderator Black Regina, black and mute mean pussy.
Where you black? Don't black her. Give me moderator. Don't black her. Where you black her for? Tikki, why when people tell her the truth, you get mad and defensive? Stop.
All right. You want me to tell you the truth now and you get mad? Why you did something?
You want hear no truth. All right, Tikki, good night. I may come off your life.
I wish I would love you the truth. I wish I would love you the
listen, I'm a block you and I'm not coming back on your life.
Don't block me. Drop a building for me. I wish I would love you the truth. I wish I would love you the blood clot truth. After me, I call me, I tell me man problem. You gonna people. You make everybody move around you. You lose your good people them. You lose your supporters them. Like, why you gonna them there? Me call me ask about man. I me ask about the boy. A man me ask about me I sit here say. Me I sit here say. What me do? Me wrong? Am I right? That me say to him, anti-fine Ryan. You gonna supporters. You gonna everything. I want people tell me the truth, me vex. Now me ask say why you suck the cocky up a camp. No, the truth that. Everybody never knows you divert the tongue up a camp. Everybody never knows you use the tongue up a camp, sing love music. Just leave me alone, man. Just leave me, yeah? Okay. I mean, never did I say nothing to him in no chat. Mr. Tim say, Keem, what happened with what me seen at the phone? And that me I talk to you about. You gone Me look like he wants to say me something to me long time, but he don't know how. He talk about losing people. Over here, me go say me take pill picture. Over here, me cross bridge stick. Me drop off in this. Me lose supporters. What you kind of them they what? What you kind of them they blood clot they for? Me I talk to you about it, man. And me I talk to you, me I say, either you say to me, say, boy, Tikki, you did wrong for do that then, but me understand and your feelings. Or Tikki, you're not wrong at all, because I hold away. You send me as a chat, you talk, tell me say me wrong or me not wrong or what me do or what me not do. Oh, guys, you know moderate in the box. You know, unmute yourself in the box.
Tikki dark, you know. Tikki dark, Keem make Keem
I don't
dark.
like Batty, man.
But remember, say one question he asks, and not just one question he asks. And he
You
just
gonna
a wait for the answer.
thank you. And you're gonna ask a different question. Then you give me action and me give you a reaction now. Cause you kind of different question. Why me not love you the truth? Why you so the cat? You sing for the mic up at camp.
All he asked was if he wrong. And I'll know you
But that's
answer that.
exactly. He go ask if I him team the to you. Simple.
Yeah,
Yes, you're wrong. No, you're wrong. No, you're not
Him
wrong.
just say him
Yeah,
Yes,
just
no
you're
him
right.
doubt.
just say
Simple.
Tikki probably him just him probably just feel bad for no say Tikki lose whole heap of people around him because of Chev.
Yeah, that's what happened. Yeah, we
So
done
him try but
establish that
let's say
already.
if you
We
just
done see that already.
tell him say Tikki are wrong, Tikki not wrong, Tikki this or that.
And but that's all Tikki ask the
Him just tell
question.
Tikki, but even though him not say that to Tikki, but him just tell give it to Tikki one time.
Because basically,
You know, see it
if
say?
you sit down here, analyze him must say, he must say Tikki is not wrong, But yet still he must say he not have nothing to say because Tikki make take of him in lose enough people for around Tikki.
Yeah.
Tikki not have that 100% friend again where they around him.
But me no want to hear that no one that me call you about.
Exactly, that's not
You
what
know,
you're
see it
called
say
about.
here. And when me not like when you say, you know, see it say the man a walk you. You know, see it say the man a walk you.
But me no need that to hear for Keem because Keem man working him as well. More than how my man a work me. But Keem believes me don't know there's something because me just reach America. When me tell Keem him and name who Keem could believe. Keem I wonder how me know there's something.
Okay.
You just look for one straightforward answer a while ago. That's all.
That's all. No for them are going like in life is 100% and they are 20 a baffle. A true, you know, they pan ya.
What is a prank?
True, then here Tikki go say my man.
Guy, let me tell you something. You see, we not people talk about that story then all.
Hey, one thing with moms looking at they nice,
Big and bulgy, you know.
Me auntie Libra goddess, you can't be something on my paper auntie queen.
As later, Trevor called Tikki here, wanna start business with him and Trev.
You know, business with them, we just, I say, every woman search for one.
Oh no.
Cause by right, if it, why sometimes me take a
Nobody
pre.
no business with them, but everybody has said she's not wrong. That's what we're saying. We're not tell her say she feel left Tikki or Tikki feel left Trev or Trev feel left.
No.
Nobody not tell her that.
We can't do
Them are
that.
say she's not wrong.
We can't do that.
Well, I got it, man. Them a go come about it now. Cause them a say
Yep.
Exactly.
me tell Tikki this, me tell Tikki that.
A long time me dey tell her,
That's what
but she
Tikki
don't
has
want to
said.
listen.
As a Tikki, I said she didn't know, but she just did a play along.
You know, your Tikki say I want proof, I want pint she that try make and she make her pint what she make.
But Tikki and white though, man. Well, let's see how Tikki and Trev go.
Yeah.
She say I want pint she make her pint say anything want,
Good
ma'am.
night.
Good night, your auntie. Come go sleep.
No,
Come
Tikki.
go
Good
work,
night,
man.
guys.